Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced Keyword Transformations, exercise number CAE066. Let's start with question number 1. The original sentence is, my dog tends to bark a lot when it's left alone. The keyword is habit, and the second sentence is, my dog is blank a lot when it's left alone. The correct answer is, my dog is in the habit of barking a lot when it's left alone. The phrase in the habit of barking indicates that the dog regularly or usually barks when left alone. This structure shows a regular behavior or routine. Another example, she is in the habit of drinking coffee every morning before going to work. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, Clara could only afford that dress because of the loan you gave her. The keyword is lent, and the second sentence is, had blank money, she wouldn't have been able to afford that dress. The correct answer is, had you not lent Clara the money, she wouldn't have been able to afford that dress. The phrase, had you not lent Clara, implies that Clara's ability to buy the dress depended on the loan. This is a conditional sentence in the past perfect tense. Another example, had he not helped her, she wouldn't have passed the exam. Next up, question 3. The original sentence is, he lost the race as he didn't run as quickly as the rest of the boys. The keyword is pace, and the second sentence is, his loss was blamed on his inability, blank, rest of the boys. The correct answer is, his loss was blamed on his inability to keep pace with the rest of the boys. The phrase to keep pace with means he couldn't run as fast as the others. This expression shows a failure to match the speed or progress of other people. Another example, she struggled to keep pace with her more experienced colleagues. Moving to number 4. The original sentence is, you must try to accept that you will never run your own company. The keyword is terms, and the second sentence is, you must blank fact that you will never run your own company. The correct answer is, you must come to terms with the fact that you will never run your own company. The phrase come to terms with means to accept or reconcile oneself to a difficult truth. The structure indicates a process of acceptance. Another example, he had to come to terms with the fact that he would never play football professionally again. Let's move to number 5. The original sentence is, if you don't know what you're doing, you shouldn't dismantle the watch. The keyword is apart, and the second sentence is, don't blank you know what you're doing. The correct answer is, don't take the watch apart unless you know what you're doing. The phrase, take the watch apart, means not to disassemble the watch if unsure about the process. This shows a conditional clause warning against action without knowledge. Another example, don't take the computer apart unless you are confident you can put it back together again. Next, question number 6. The original sentence is, the weather seems to be improving this afternoon. The keyword is signs, and the second sentence is, the weather blank this afternoon. The correct answer is, the weather is showing signs of improving this afternoon. The phrase, showing signs of improving, means there is clear evidence that the weather is getting better. This structure highlights the presence of positive changes. Another example, her health is showing signs of improving after staying in the hospital. Moving on to number 7. The original sentence is, James said the reason for his poor exam performance was his illness. The keyword is blamed, and the second sentence is, James blank on his illness. The correct answer is, James blamed his poor exam performance on his illness. The phrase, blamed his poor exam performance, means he attributed his failure to his illness. This indicates the cause of his poor performance, in his opinion. Another example, she blamed her lateness on the heavy traffic. Finally, question number 8. The original sentence is, you won't be able to come into this club without a shirt. The keyword is prevented, and the second sentence is, you blank into this club without a shirt. The correct answer is, you will be prevented from coming into this club without a shirt. The phrase will be prevented from coming means you will be stopped from entering the club if not wearing a shirt. This shows a conditional outcome based on what you are wearing. Another example, they will be prevented from entering the concert without a ticket. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.